Let's kick off our first voice message campaign through broadcast. To get started, head to Moments, our customer engagement solution. Navigate to Broadcast and click on Create a Broadcast. Broadcast allows businesses to send communications using various channels. Now, let's choose the channel voice. It's time to select recipients. You can upload the audience from a file or select them from People, our customer data platform. Let's choose a segmented group that includes all end users from Ireland. Select your sender, which will appear as the caller ID. Please note that only numeric senders are supported for the voice channel. You can choose the text-to-speech option. Now, let's compose the message for the service disruption scenario. Click the Test button to preview the message. If you'd rather upload an audio file, simply click here and proceed with the upload. Furthermore, take advantage of personalization fields, known as placeholders, to incorporate any relevant information stored in the person profile within People CDP. The language will be automatically detected each time you modify the message content. Next, choose your preferred voice and adjust the speech rate. In the message scheduling section, you can select the day and time for communication to be sent and specify the delivery time window with specific start and end times. In the tracking and reporting section, you can choose to enable delivery reports via API pull or have them pushed to your system. Additionally, you can define additional data from People CDP to be visible in reports. Under Advanced Settings, you can customize the message sending speed and set limits on the number of messages sent within a given period. Also, you can set a validity period during which the system attempts to deliver messages. 48 hours is by default. For example, if a user's phone is off, the system retries delivery until the validity period expires. The retry period option allows you to set the maximum number of retries for delivering a call if the initial attempt fails. The maximum retries allowed is 4. For instance, you can schedule the call to be retried 4 times within a 10-minute window, with the first retry after 2 minutes. You can record the call, and if an answering machine picks up, you have the option to continue or hang up. After the end user answers, we wait for 1 second before playing a message. You can also define the maximum call duration, after which the call will be terminated. Lastly, we have the interaction code section. Here, you can set the maximum length of digits the end user will input and determine the time you'll wait for the end user to input the code before hanging up. For instance, if the end user enters 1, you can choose to add a tag in the person's profile in People CDP called Potential Customer. If 2 is entered, you can tag the profile as Not Interested. Under the action, you can choose to add that number to the Do Not Contact list if, for example, the end user decides to opt out. Calls can be transferred to a specific number, such as your contact center. You can specify which tag to remove under the person's profile in People CDP, or you can repeat the voice message. In simple terms, this section enables our broadcast voice messages to facilitate two-way communication. Now, name the campaign, and if you want, you can save it as a template for future use. Make minor tweaks, eliminating the need to recreate it from scratch for the next campaign. Let's move on to preview. You can review the messages. On the right side, you'll see the total number of recipients, the duration of the message in seconds, its cost, sender, and selected advanced settings. In the final step, click Launch, and the campaign is sent.